Hello and welcome to Ninja English. We will learn how to have basic English conversations slowly and clearly. Let us begin the video. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I did.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I did.
What time did you wake up?
Around 6.
What time did you wake up?
Around 6.
That's early.
Yeah, I like mornings.
That's early.
Yeah, I like mornings.
Do you work today?
Yes, full day.
Do you work today?
Yes, full day.
Where do you work?
At a bank.
Where do you work?
At a bank.
Is it far from here?
No, 10 minutes away.
Is it far from here?
No, 10 minutes away.
Do you drive there?
No, I walk.
Do you drive there?
No, I walk.
That's healthy.
Yeah, it feels good.
That's healthy.
Yeah, it feels good.
Did you sleep well?
Not really, too hot.
Did you sleep well?
Not really, too hot.
You should get a fan.
Yeah, I will soon.
You should get a fan.
Yeah, I will soon.
Do you want some tea?
Sure, that's nice.
Do you want some tea?
Sure, that's nice.
Sugar or no sugar?
Just a little.
Sugar or no sugar?
Just a little.
Here you go.
Thanks a lot.
Here you go.
Thanks a lot.
Are you free tonight?
Yes, after 7.
Are you free tonight?
Yes, after 7.
Let's have dinner then.
Sounds good.
Let's have dinner then.
Sounds good.
Where should we go?
Maybe that new cafe.
Where should we go?
Maybe that new cafe.
I heard it's nice.
Yeah, good food there.
I heard it's nice.
Yeah, good food there.
What time should we meet?
Let's say 8.
What time should we meet?
Let's say 8.
Perfect. See you then.
Great, can't wait.
Perfect. See you then.
Great, can't wait.
Do you need a ride?
No, I'll walk.
Do you need a ride?
No, I'll walk.
Okay. Text me later.
Sure, will do.
Okay. Text me later.
Sure, will do.
Did you call your mom?
Yes, this morning.
Did you call your mom?
Yes, this morning.
How is she?
She's doing fine.
How is she?
She's doing fine.
That's good to hear.
Yeah, I miss her.
That's good to hear.
Yeah, I miss her.
Are you busy tomorrow?
Not really.
Are you busy tomorrow?
Not really.
Maybe we can go shopping.
Sure, why not?
Maybe we can go shopping.
Sure, why not?
Let's check the weather first.
Good idea.
Let's check the weather first.
Good idea.
Is it still sunny?
No, clouds coming.
Is it still sunny?
No, clouds coming.
Might rain tonight then.
Yeah, maybe.
Might rain tonight then.
Yeah, maybe.
Anyway, I should go now.
All right, take care.
Anyway, I should go now.
All right, take care.
You too.
Bye for now.
You too.
Bye for now.
Did you reach home?
Yes, just now.
Did you reach home?
Yes, just now.
Was the road busy?
A little, but okay.
Was the road busy?
A little, but okay.
Did you have dinner?
Yes, it was good.
Did you have dinner?
Yes, it was good.
What did you eat?
I ate a pizza.
What did you eat?
I ate a pizza.
Sounds tasty.
Yeah, it was fresh.
Sounds tasty.
Yeah, it was fresh.
Are you watching TV now?
No, just using my phone.
Are you watching TV now?
No, just using my phone.
Don't stay up late.
Yeah, I won't.
Don't stay up late.
Yeah, I won't.
Okay, good night then.
Good night, sleep well.
Okay, good night then.
Good night, sleep well.
See you tomorrow.
Sure, see you.
See you tomorrow.
Sure, see you.